Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today we are back in the dining room. Welcome. And it is Tuesday, October 29th, so we're getting very close to the end of the month, and we're on to the second week of our holiday cruising missions from the Fly Lady. So she has this whole program called Cruising Through the Holidays. There's a daily mission that helps us just plan and prepare and get ready for Christmas so that we can enjoy that holiday season when it comes up. And as a little side note, if you're planning any kind of event or holiday celebration, you can use this system, so it doesn't have to be for Christmas. If you're planning, a 60th birthday party or some other event, anniversary party or something, you can use the same system and her control journal for that. So speaking of the control journal, today is Tuesday, and in the Fly Lady system there's a daily focus. So the Tuesday daily focus is plan and play day. And you can certainly change up the system to suit you and your schedule. And if Tuesday's not the day that you're going to be doing your planning and playing, then find a day that works and the day that you will most likely be doing that. But for your plan and play day, first off, if you haven't printed your holiday control journal, I have it linked down below, so definitely do that if you're planning on using it this year. Get that printed out, put it in a little binder, just staple the corner, whatever works. Don't make a big project out of it, just get it done. And then she wants us to take about 15 minutes today. It could even be 5 minutes, just a little bit of time to go through, fill out some more things in your control journal, your holiday control journal. Specifically look at holiday travel if you are planning on going anywhere. I actually sent out the group text message this morning to my siblings and my mom and my dad to see what we're planning to do, because we haven't set that up yet. We have a couple of things we typically do every year, and typically it's the same day or date, but I want to make sure we're all on the same page and that works for everyone this year. So just getting that started is the first step, and I sent that message out. And beyond that, you can look at a few more details in your holiday plans. Planning for travel, planning for entertaining. If you have a party you normally host, then maybe spend a little bit of time looking at your menu, what you need to shop for, that kind of thing. And the other half of plan and play day then is to spend a little time doing something you enjoy. It could be taking a bubble bath, it could be reading a chapter in a book that you have been trying to finish or want to finish and haven't had time to. It could be having a lunch date or a coffee date with a friend. Maybe it's just making a phone call to set up the lunch date with a friend, whatever it might be, but spend a little time today to do something to treat yourself and take care of yourself. So that is our mission for today. Continue on with your planning and playing and enjoy your Tuesday, and I will look forward to seeing you tomorrow for another mission. If you have any questions, leave them down below, but otherwise, I'll see you then. Have a good one. Bye-bye.